Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm actually going to be unboxing this Lifepro Rumblex Plus vibration plate. Now, I'm so excited for this. This is not my first one. So this is actually my second Rumble Plus, and I just wanted to show you around a little bit so you can see what to expect if you decide to jump in and get one of these. I was actually given this as a gift back at Christmas time by my husband, who had read up on it and found that there were a lot of really great benefits to getting circulation going in the body. And if you know anything about me, you know that I had a stroke 13 years ago. Let's see, it's 2025. So yeah, 13 years ago, March 15th, 2012. And I have a blood clotting disorder called factor V Leiden, which a lot of people have. I am actually a double carrier, which means both my mother and my father gave me a factor V gene. And so I am at a pretty significant higher chance of having a blood clot than the average human. And so everything I do is, all my health and wellness stuff is to really help make sure that we're getting good circulation and good blood flow throughout my body so that hopefully I can avoid getting another blood clot. Fingers crossed. So I wanted to take you through this vibration plate just so you could see what it's like to unbox it. It is pretty heavy. And to get this up and running, I love it that it comes with a mat. So that's really cool that it comes with a mat. And I've actually been using my vibration plate, it's June, since December. And I'll be honest, at the beginning, I was a little leery. I was like, is this really going to do anything? Is it just like a gimmicky thing? And I can tell you, there's a night and day difference when I use the vibration plate versus when I do not use it. And so this is something that you can use every day. And of course, this is all for entertainment purposes. Please consult your physician because I don't want somebody commenting, I got a vibration plate and I threw a blood clot. Like, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying for me personally, this has been a huge game changer. When I had my stroke, the stroke really affected my shoulders and then down on my left side through my hip. And since then I've had some pretty significant hip pain when I walk, if I sit for too long, if I walk for too long, it's like, and I've had an MRI done and they found that there was, this is a tighter joint and there's some fluid in that joint. And this vibration plate has significantly decreased the amount of pain that I feel in my hip. And if I maybe go out of town for a week or two, I start feeling that again. And so it's something that I do every single day. So here's how this works for me. I get up in the morning, I come down here into my basement. My office is right over here. So if you watch any of my videos, I create all my videos over there. And I actually have this awesome sauna that I turn on. So come downstairs, I turn it on so that it can start warming up. And then I get on my vibration plate. And there are a lot of different settings that you can use with the vibration plate. It also comes with a really great little remote so that you just put this around your wrist. Although I do have to say, I wish that these were longer because I feel like it's like a little baby bracelet instead of like an adult bracelet. So I get on my vibration plate for 10 minutes. And that really just helps to wake up my body and helps it to feel really good. And you want to start slow. So when I first got started in January, I turned it on and it maybe went up to like level 2 or 3, which there are a lot of really great benefits that come along with even doing it on a low setting. And so I'll turn it on and I kind of worked up to where I'm at now. So now I get probably up to like 35 or 40 in the level, which is a lot higher than normal. Now on the back here, you'll see that there are these little bars, and that is so you can attach some bands. So you can do some arm workouts while you're on the vibration plate. Now, using vibration in your exercise actually significantly helps your, it's so heavy. It significantly helps your body with impact, and what I've read is when you do exercises on the vibration plate, it's like 3 times the amount of exercise. And so I have loved it, and I actually feel just a lot more resilient after 6 months on the vibration plate. I also feel like my body's more toned than it was, and I think that I'll do a before and after for the next 6 months so we can really see and gauge. In fact, I could probably find a before and after, so I'll do that. So what you want to do is pull off the plastic. We want to pull out the cord, which is right here, and then we're going to plug it in, and then I'm going to show you around a little bit, show you how to use this, and help you see if this is something that you might want to add. You know, we're all so different in our needs, and what I have found is my husband and I have definitely like different bodies, different body types, and what works for him might not work very well for me. In fact, I've been using ChatGPT lately to put in kind of my lab results and also all the different modalities of things that we have. So we have the sauna, we have the cold plunge, we have treadmill, a rower, a punching bag. We got a bar that you can do pull-ups on, and bench press. We got all those different things. But what I wanted to know was what is best for my body. And what I have found is that ChatGPT can kind of take my lab results and then give me some good recommendations based on that. So the vibration plate was one that, based off my lab results, it was like, this will be very good to help get your lymphatic system up and running in a proper way. So let's show you this awesome little, we're going to hit that power button, and you can actually cycle through. So you can see right here, it's got modes and different things, but you can also cycle through right on the machine here. So we're going to hit the mode, and you can see it's got side to side, up and down, kind of a ripple, or you can choose multiples together, or you can do all 3 like that. So depending on what you're trying to stimulate and move through your body, that's what you'll choose. So I actually tend to do all 3. I need to do research and see if that's okay, but I actually like all 3. And then you can hit play, and you'll see that it starts vibrating. And from here, I can actually up the vibration amount. So see how it's going up. And you can take it all the way up to like seriously hardcore. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can use this. I'm going to stop it just for a minute, and we'll go from there. So there's a couple different ways that I have personally used this. The first way was I simply turned it on and started standing on it, and I would stand on it for 10 minutes every day. This was back in December, January, where I was still feeling pretty out of shape. Oh my gosh, my hair is like sticking up. It must be staticky down here. And I just wanted to kind of start to feel alive again. And that's what I love about the vibration plate, is it wakes up the body. It helps the body to feel movement going through it. And so for me, circulation is super important, but also I wanted to just feel like I could move again. So I just simply stood on it, and then I started doing some exercises on it. So just some basics. You can hook up the bands and just start doing some arm raises, start doing some body squats, and then see how you feel. The other thing that I've learned is you don't just have to stand on it. You can sit on it. You can lean over with your hands on it if you're really trying to like stimulate this area. I also found that if I stand on the side of it, it actually gives me a little bit different of a feel than if I'm just standing in the middle or with my legs. There's 3 different positions that you can put your legs in. And I don't even know how to explain it, except that I love it. And it's been a huge, amazing addition to our workout equipment, and I'm so thankful for it. This is actually this is the workout equipment that I use the most in all of our workout equipment that we have, and we've got quite a few of things down here. And so if you are interested in checking this out, go ahead and follow the link in the description. I've actually become an affiliate of Lifepro because I love this product so much. And I will tell you, everybody who's bought from that link below, which there's been quite a few of you, have messaged me and said they love their vibration plate as well. Absolutely incredible. This one was the Rumble X Plus, but there are other ones. This one I believe is right around $400 to $500. There are other ones that you can get for cheaper or more expensive, depending on what your price range is. I like this one because it's got all the different ranges, the 3 different modes that you can do, along with it starts out very easy and goes up to pretty intense. Now, I do want to just give you a little caveat. If you're getting one of these, don't start out super intense at the beginning. Let your body get used to it and see how you feel in that process. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you found value in this, please hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video, and go ahead and click the link below if you want to see some of my free resources. See you in the next